We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this French fashion house and brand. We're going to be looking at how to say more interesting and unclear names from the world of luxury as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So for reference, so you understand, this is said in French in France as a reference as Hervé Léger. Hervé Léger, silent H in French, Léger. So in English you could say it as Hervé Léger. Hervé Léger, from French Hervé Léger. Hervé Léger, Paris. Hervé Léger. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names from the world of luxury, fashion and design, whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.